What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, I have a new 350Z. This right here is a 2006. Now it is a base model, and as you guys can see by just looking at the outside, it doesn't look too bad, and you guys would be right. But when we come over here, we have something different here going on. This side was repaired at one point, but it's not like the white 350Z where it was repaired correctly. This guy was half-assed and, you know, just put together just like that. If you look underneath the wheel, you can see all the carnage in there. That repair was done very poorly and it looks pretty bad. I bought this vehicle for $2,000. Runs and drives, however it does have a transmission issue. So on the way here, I did notice that it had a P1774. That is a low-cost solenoid code. I am not sure if it's something that I can fix. I might have to just replace the valve body on this vehicle and send it on its way. It is a nice looking car. It looks like it was painted not too long ago, but again, they didn't do a good job. The interior of the vehicle is actually in pretty good shape. Let me show you guys here. Pretty clean. Cloth seats, they're all manual adjustments, which is good because, you know, the electronics on these seats always break, so at least these work. So this vehicle does have 208,000 miles. A lot of you guys are probably thinking, you know, that's a lot of miles, but if you think about it, this car is a 2006, so it actually is not a lot of miles for the year. Let me show you guys the engine bay. It's pretty much stock, pretty stock 350Z. I don't really see too much wrong here in the engine bay. Sounds pretty good. It does drive, like I said, pretty good. I haven't experienced the transmission issue that the owner said it has, but I do have a code for that P1774, so there is something wrong. I just haven't experienced it. Like I said, this vehicle was crashed here on this passenger rear, and there's evidence of that everywhere. If you really look closely, right here in the corner, you can see that there's a hole, and you can kind of see light coming out of there. So all of this was just done very poorly. I really hesitated buying this vehicle. I really was gonna walk away from it when I saw this. I personally don't like messing with vehicles that have like structural damage, and especially when it's structural damage and it's not done right. This is just not done right at all. But I mean, it does run and drive. But you can even see here from this wheel that this wheel is pushed in a little too far to the inner fender here. I think we have a bent arm under there, so I'm gonna have to check and see what is going on. Like I said, I was about to walk away from this car. I was gonna originally buy it for $2,500, but when I saw the damage, I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna walk away from this one just because of that damage. But then the guy, I think he really wanted to get rid of it, so then he's like, give me 23, and I was like, I don't want to do more than 2, so if you don't do 2, then I'm not gonna take it. And at the end, they ended up taking the 2,000 that I had offered them, and here it is. Now, believe it or not, even though it has that damage there in the back, it technically is still a clean title. The vehicle has a clean title still. I don't know how that is possible. Maybe the damage was not as bad as it seems, and the insurance company didn't total it for some reason. Who knows? I'm not too sure, but it does hold a clean title still. So that has that going for it, and the engine sounds pretty good. It drives pretty good, aside from the transmission issue that it has. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little quick overview of my new to me 2006 Nissan 350Z. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel so that you guys don't miss any updates on this vehicle. And if you guys did find this video entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys all very soon. Peace out.